Now she's trying to fall asleep. The only thing she can't do is suck on her fingers because they're covered up, so I'm going to uncover them.
Yeah, she can't scratch her face either because she can't get
Oh, what's
to them.
a scratch or two when a girl wants to suck a thumb?
You have the hiccups, my little princess. Hi, Sophie. You had the hiccups all the time. Yes.
It's like every minute she's constantly amusing us.
You couldn't be any cuter, my little sweetheart. Oh, achoo.
Even when she sneezes, it's just a delight.
Sophie. Hi, princess. Oh, she's sleepy.
Samantha, eat.
All right, I'm coming. All right, Sophie.